Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. And today in your craft kit it is going to be 2 items. One is a shape of an elephant, and the other is tissue paper. Lots and lots of colors. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to take our glue and we're going to put it on our elephant, and we're going to cover the whole elephant with the tissue paper because we're having a special book for story time. It's called Elmer the Elephant, and he is not gray, he is all the colors of the rainbow. So I'll show you how to do it. So take your glue stick or your white glue, and what you can do is you can put individually on each piece of tissue paper, or what you can do is just cover it and then do it. So I am going to put him like this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done, okay? Okay, are you ready? So here is my elephant with all of it, and I thought, you know what? We're going to put one more extra thing in your kits, and that is an eye. So it was about here. So here is your finished craft. He looks pretty cute. So some of your older ones, if you would like to do it, is cut out the elephant after you finish putting all the tissue paper on it, and maybe put it in your window. It would probably seem really nice to have in your window, and everybody can see your elephants. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on Cozy Corner Crafts on Thursday at 10:30. We'll see you then, and I would love to see your elephants when they're done. Thank you. Bye.